Hey everyone, welcome back to QA Automation with Gaurav. So in the previous video, we have set up our project, and in this video, let's dive into the heart of Cucumber, the feature file. So we will discuss more about the feature file, writing our first feature file in the framework, and to write that feature file, we will need to know more about Gherkin and its keyword. So we will discuss all about in this video. So let's get started. So feature files are written in plain English using Gherkin syntax. They describe the behavior of your application in business-friendly language. Later in the video, we will create a new feature file, but let's discuss on what is a feature file. It's a part of Cucumber where we define the behavior of the application in a human readable format using Gherkin syntax. Basically, if you want to create a scenario like login, so instead of writing code directly, we have to write it in such a way that it's human readable and business friendly language. So we are using Gherkin syntax for that. And so basically this file gives us both automation test script and live documentation also. So whenever some stakeholder needs to know what are the steps or what are the test cases which are being tested, so we can directly produce this documentation of feature files. They describe the behavior of your application in business friendly language. That's what I have mentioned. Yeah. And so coming to Gherkin keywords, Gherkin is basically uses a set of special keywords to give structure and meaning to the executable specification. Each keyword is translated to many spoken languages. In this reference, we will use English. So basically, in any scenario, we will first have some actions, we'll have some prerequisites and then action and then output. So to handle all those things, we can use these kind of keywords like feature, scenario, example, given, when, then, and background, scenario outline, examples. There are few secondary keywords as well, like this doc strings and data tables at the rate, yeah, hashtag comments, yeah, these we can use as well. So yeah, let's go and create a new feature. This is basically the a simple example of a feature file where each feature file will have a feature keyword and the name of the feature. So suppose I have to do something in login. I have to log in with username and password and then click on login button. Uh, so basically this scenario we can write. So we can start with scenario successful. This is basically the description of your test case like successful login with valid credentials. Given the user is on the login page, when the user enters username and password, then user should be navigated to dashboard. So this is how like we can use, suppose we have to verify a button in the home page. So we can write that uh, while given user is on the home page, when a user uh, when user enters the fields, any field we can say, then the button should be reflected. So we can do that validation, the last validation in the in then keyword. So like that we can validate and we can write the scenarios. Let's create a new file. So we have the project setup ready. We will create a login.feature file inside the features folder. So let's do it. So basically I have feature folder here. I'll just right click, new file, login dot feature. Yeah, so the feature file has been created. Now I'll go with writing the feature name. So login functionality. Now I'll write the scenarios. So each feature can have multiple scenarios. We can write multiple scenarios in the same feature file. Scenario 1 I'll write as successful login with valid credentials. Now this is like the scenario. Now I have to write the steps for the test case. Given user is on the login page, I don't know why it's giving error. Let me show. Okay, so basically these are for these steps we have to create a step definition. This we will, so if you can see this is there an option of creating a step definition. This we will cover in the next video. Let's focus on the feature file. When, so for I have written given user is on the login page. When user enters username and user enters password, then and clicks on login button, then user navigates to home page. Yeah, this is a simple scenario which we have created. So like this we can create multiple scenarios in the feature file. This is like that's it. I mean, this is your first Cucumber test description. So no, you can notice how it reads like a conversation. It's so easy. Each line represents a step definition, um, which we will map to Java code soon. So Cucumber uses keywords like feature, scenario, will, given, when, then to structure these descriptions. So this is how it makes our tests self-documenting, like even non-technical team members can understand them. So that's it about the feature file. And the next video, we will learn how to connect these plain English feature file steps to actual Java code by writing the step definitions of it. If you are enjoying this Cucumber framework series, don't forget to like this video, share to your friends, and subscribe to the channel and enable your bell notification. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot.